Hey guys, it's Rams, and today we're going to show you how to make some pretty messy, might work, might not work, slime up in here. So, this is what you're going to need for this recipe. You're going to need some coconut oil. You're going to need some soap. You're going to need some aloe vera, and you are going to need some water. So all of this is your choice to put however much you want of these ingredients. So you don't need to put any certain amount, just do the type that makes your slime the perfect gooey consistency. So yeah, so what you're gonna do first, you're gonna grab this cup here. Grab a cup, or grab a bowl. Then there's a finished slime in here. Yeah, that's a finished slime. Listen to it after we can play with things after we do this recipe. So we got this soap. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna squirt some soap into your little cup here. Yeah. Then after you have your soap, you're gonna add some water into your little cup. And then you're gonna put a tiny bit of coconut oil. If there's any excess, just pour it out. The excess coconut oil, and a lot more aloe vera than this, definitely, but just this example. Yeah, nice and gooey. Yeah, then you're just gonna mix all those stuff up. Take a spoon or whatever, mix it up. Do some really mix it up, and you can add some food coloring if you want. Just, I told you it's gonna be really messy, and it doesn't really work too well. Yeah, I know I didn't say that doesn't really work too well, but it's pretty good, I guess. Kind of just feels like aloe vera, but like I add like so little aloe vera. Pretty confused about that. Yeah, but this has some definitely gooiness to it. I guess you could use this for like snot. April Fool's Day, you know what I'm talking about? Cause like this is just really feels like snot, honestly. I think maybe we can do some ASMR. I'm not really too sure. Yeah, that's really nice slime, I guess. It's not the best slime. Like I pretty much just said it was the best slime, but like it's okay. Yeah, it's got this like droopy sliminess to it. Stretch